Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, in this 14th session, session number 14, we are going to study Tamareen exercises of the second lesson, Al Hadith al Nabawi al Sharif. We have completed the explanation of the lesson in two sessions, Al Hadith al Nabawi al Sharif. Then, the summary of the lesson, Al Hadith al Nabawi al Sharif. Now, we are starting Tamareen exercises in this session. So you can see on the screen Ad-Dars Thani, lesson number 2, Al Hadith al Nabi Sharif, the noble sayings of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, session 14. At-Tamari exercises. The first one, Alif, Ma'anil Mufradat. The book it is written only Al Mufradat, single words. So I wrote here Ma'anil Mufradat, meanings of the words. Alif, meanings of the words, Ma'anil Mufradat. First word, Nazala, meaning revealed. नजरा मीन्स उतरना और यहाँ नाजिल की वरदा also the meaning. So you will be given in your exam the first word nazala, then you will have to write revealed, go down, that's the meaning. But in our lesson the word is used for revealed, nazala, nazala or nazala. Now second word mubin, meaning in Arabic there are two words are given in the book, bayyin wawid, clear. So mubin, the exact word, original word, first one mubin, and in English it is clear, very clear, mubin. So learn the first word and this translation. Nazala, revealed. Mubin, clear. And those who are interested in improving their Arabic vocabulary, they can also study these words also. But in the exams, these words will not be given in between words. First word will be given and you will have to write that translation to be in English. Mubin, clear. If anyone is perfect or Arab students, they can write these words also for these first words. So Arab students or those who are perfect in Arabic, they can write in Arabic also the meaning. Otherwise, the first word and its meaning in English only. So Nazala, reveal, Nazala, reveal, Nazala और Nazala, Nazala उतरना, get down, go down meaning है यहाँ पर revealed. Now Mubin, bayyin, वावे, clear. Next word Rubiya, Nuqila, reported. It is regarding Hadith. Hadith is reported from so and so person. So Rubiya, Nuqila, reported, shifted. Taqreer, al-rida bi-amalihi, agreed or satisfied with an action. It is about the definition of Hadith. Qawl, fi'il, taqreer, sifat. So taqreer, al-rida bi-amalihi. And the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has agreed or satisfied with an action of someone who did that action, who and Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, after seeing, observing, Rasulullah Sallallahu did not object and consented. So taqreer means agreed or satisfied with an action. And consent, giving consent. So in Arabic, adillah bi amalihi, is satisfied with a person's amal, deed. Now next word, yanquluna, yuhawwiluna min makanin ila akhar. Transport, report, quote. Here in this lesson, we can take these two meaning, report or quote, not transport. So yanquluna, naql karna, report or quote. Reporting hadith, reporting the sayings of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Yanquluna, report or quote. Then next word, yahfaduna, यहफज़ूना, हिफाजत करते हैं, याद करते हैं, ज़बान याद करते हैं, उसे ही हाफिज है. हाफिज साहब, we say हाफिज साहब, or those people who have learned by heart the Holy Quran, the complete Holy Quran. So يحفظون in Arabic يذكرون في أذهانهم ويصدقون من التلف. يذكرون, they remember, في أذهانهم, in their minds, وَيَصْدِفُونَ مِنَ التَّلْفِ, and they prevent from its destruction. So, when explain words of the meaning in Arabic, so يَذْكُرُونَ فِي أَذْهَانِهِمْ وَيَصْدِفُونَ مِنَ التَّلْفِ, वो अपने दिमागों में याद करके रखते हैं और ख़राब होने से वो बचाते हैं. Memorize, or you can say learn by heart. So يحفظون, memorize or learn by heart. يحفظون, learn by heart or memorize. This is all. Next one, asas. Yeah, meaning in Arabic, bunyan or qaida. Base, origin. Asas means origin, base. Next word, masdar. The other words in Arabic, manba, asl, center, origin. This is also origin, asl. So masdar, sender or origin. Now another words, next words, فَلْيَتَبَوَّأْ مَقْعَدَهُ. فَلْيَتَبَوَّأْ مَقْعَدَهُ. فَلْيَلْزَمْ مَكَانَهُ. Let him make a place. I mean, let him reserve a place. It is about telling lies or misinterpreting hadith of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So there, the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Man kadaba alayya muta'ammidan, falyatabawwa maq'adahu minan nar." And whoever misinterpret or wrongly associates anything, any saying with me, then he should prepare, he should make a place in the hell. So, meaning he is reserving a place in the hell. So, while dealing with hadith, when we discussing hadith, when we explaining hadith, we should be extra careful whether it is correct or not. Then only we have to report. Because the reporters of hadith were very careful regarding the reporting. Otherwise, it would be a wide punishment from Allah's sake. So, in that context, فَلْيَتَبَوَّأْ مَقْعَدَهُ, let him prepare his place مِنَ النَّارِ, in the hell. So, فَلْيَتَبَوَّأْ مَقْعَدَهُ means فَلْيَلْزَمْ مَكَانَهُ, let him make or reserve a place in the hell. So, فَلْيَتَبَوَّأْ مَقْعَدَهُ, let him make or let him prepare. Okay, next word, maq'adun. Here also it is used. Maq'adun, we say generally, mawdi' qarar, makan, a seat or place. ठहरने की जगह, makanun, जगह. So, maq'ad means seat, place. We can use maq'ad for our benches also. In schools, in colleges, always we use benches. So, maq'ad, benches. Plural of maq'ad is maq'ad, seat. In a bus, in a train, or in a plane also we can use maq'ad, seat. बैठने की जगह. Okay, next word, बल्लगतु. बल्लगतु means I conveyed, I delivered. Or can I say I have conveyed, I have delivered. Ballagtu, मैं पहुंचाया. Another word in Arabic for ballagtu, awsaltu. The same meaning. मैं पहुंचाया, I conveyed, I delivered. Next word, tanadhafu, tatahharu. Another word for tanadhafu in Arabic. Maintain cleanliness. Tanadhafu means maintain cleanliness. This word is a part of that famous hadith, tanadhafu. فإن الإسلام نظيف. Maintain cleanliness because Islam is a clean religion. So tanadhafu, maintain cleanliness or stay clean. Tatahharu, other word. Next one, bu'ithtu, ursiltu. I have been sent. I have been sent. Bu'ithtu, I have been sent. मैं भेजा गया हूँ. So bu'ithtu is also a part of the famous hadith regarding manners and character. bu'ithtu li utammima makarim al-akhlaq. I have been sent, the Holy Prophet ﷺ said, I have been sent to perfect the manners or characters among you. To bu'ithtu li utammima makarim al-akhlaq. I have been sent to perfect the noble characters among you. So bu'ithtu means I have been sent. It is the word of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, lam tadillu, you will never go astray. You will never go wrong. lam tadillu, हरगिज तुम गुमराह नहीं होंगे. Another words in Arabic, लन तसरिफु अन तरीक, रास्ते से कभी फिर न जाओगे या हट न जाओगे. So लन तदिल्लु, you will never go wrong or you will never go astray. Wallu, walla, tadillu. It is in the Surah Fatiha also. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. غير المغضوب عليهم, not the path of those who earn your anger. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين, nor of those who go astray. So ضالين, that is subject form, subjective form, and this is in the verb form. لن تضلوا, you will never go astray. لن تصرفوا عن الطريق, these are the words that gives the meaning for لن تضلوا in Arabic. So لن تضلوا, you will never go astray or you will never go wrong. Next one, التحية, السلام. التحية means gift or we can say greeting. التحية, السلام, gift, and another word greeting. And the plural of التحية, التحيات. We say these words in our attahiyat, attahiyatu lillahi al-mubarakat, like that. So attahiyya means gift or greetings. The next word ayal, meaning usra, family. The word is also part of hadith al-khalqu iyalullah. All the creatures are the family of Allah, meaning the creation of Allah. Allah Ta'ala has created all the creatures. So al khalqu iyalullah. Iyal means usra, family. Now words meanings are over. Exercise number B ba. Al mufrad wal jam. Singular and plural. Singular and plural words of Hadith Sharif. Al Hadithul Nabawi al Sharif. The second lesson. So we will study these words. These are also very easy. First word singular. Lisanun, meaning language or tongue. Plural alsinatun, languages or tongues. For tongue also lisanun is used. Lisanun means language, alsinatun languages. You can see here the meaning. I gave the meaning only of the singular word only, because you can understand the meaning of plural automatically. Languages, tongues. And here in the exam, you might be given singular words. Then you will have to convert them into plural. So question will be write the plural form of the given words. So then you will be given singular words. Then you will have to transform them into plural. Okay. So lisanun language, alsinatun languages, or tongue tongues. And for language, another word is there. You might have learned that word also, lugatun, language, and its plural will be al lugat, language. But in this lesson, that word is not used. Lisanun alsinatun. Next one, rawin, reporter, and reporter of hadith. The plural form rubat, the reporters of hadith. Reporters, rawin, reporter, rubatun, reporters of hadith. Next word, very easy word, qawl. We also use this word in our daily language. Qawl, word, saying, aqwal, sayings. So qawl, plural form, aqwal, sayings. Next word, fi'l, plural form, afal. Fi'l, action, afal, actions. Fi'l, work, afal, works. Or you can say deed, deeds. And in grammar, I have written here, gr point means grammar. In grammar, in the grammar, fi'l is used for verb. Then afal means verbs. Okay. فعل مضارع فعل ماضي الفعل الماضي الفعل المضارع الفعل الحال الفعل المستقبل is said like that, and a past tense, present tense, future tense, like that. So فعل, verb in grammar, afal is plural, then verbs, and generally in the languages, فعل, action, work, afal, actions, works. Then taqarir. Its meaning is a little longer, so I wrote it here. An act that was accepted by the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam here. Generally, if we say taqrir means agreed or consented, मान लिया गया, ये माना तकरीर. So an act that was accepted by the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is a complete meaning regarding hadith. And if anyone does anything in front of Rasulullah Sallam, then Rasulullah Sallam objects, or Rasulullah Sallam will not object, did not object, then that action will be accepted. So taqrir means that hadith, Rasulullah Sallam did not do that, but someone did in front of Rasulullah Sallam, and Rasulullah Sallam kept silence, remained silent. Then it means that amal is also sunnah, hadith. So taqrir is plural form, an act that was accepted by the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Taqarir means acts that were accepted by the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Okay, next one, zawjatun. Zawjatun, wife. Zawjatun, wives. So zawjun, husband, and sometimes zawjun also used for wife. But when you have to specially mention for wife, then we add round ta, gold ta to the word zawj. Zawjatun, then wife only, not husband. Because this golta, roundta is for female only, feminine gender only. Ta'at Tainid, it is a sign of feminine gender. Zawjatun is plural, wives. Okay. Masdarun, plural masadir, point of origin, or you can say sometimes center also. Masdar, root, origin, base, masadir is plural, points of origin. Matanun, mutunun, text, original text. So it is regarding Quran, the Holy Quran. Al Quran Sharif Matanun, the Holy Quran Sharif is Matan, text. Wal Hadith Sharif Tafsirun wa Sharhan. The Hadith Sharif is its explanation. So Matan means text, plural form Mutun. Then Maqaid came here. Maqaid plural form bench or seat. Sharhan Shuruhan. Sharhan explanation. Shuruhan also is plural explanations. For the guides also, guide of any book, we can say Sharh. Shuruhan is plural explanations. Then another word Dalilun, plural form Dalail, evidence, attestation. So Dalil, evidence, or you can say proof. Dalail, plural form, evidences, attestations or proofs. Sunnatun, tradition, tradition of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Rasulullah Sallam ki sunnat par amal karo. We say like that. Follow the sunnah of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. तो सुन्नत सुनन प्लूरल है ट्रेडिशन सुनन ट्रेडिशंस तहियतुन प्लूरल फॉर्म तहियात गिफ्ट or greeting. So tahiyatun. We studied in the text tahiyatul liqa, the gift of meeting, mulaqat ka tuhfa. Then we studied hadith, that small hadith, assalamu qabl al kalam. Greet with salam before you talk. बात करने से पहले सलाम करो. So tahiyatun means gift or greeting. And tahiyatun plural form tahiyat. हाँ, just now a little while ago I said at-tahiyatu lillahi. We say this in our prayer in tashahhud. At-tahiyatu lillahi. And all gifts are, all greetings belong to Allah only. Okay. Now we have completed here the words meaning. Now G, exercise number I think C. Al-Azdad, opposites, opposite words. So I have given here like this. Arabiyun, an Arab. Opposite word Ajamiyun, a non-Arab. So you will be given either of these words. So whatever is given, you will have to write the opposite of the word. Okay. So in the book, the first given words are these, the right side words, and its opposite here. So Arabiyun, an Arab, Ajamiyun, a non-Arab. Arab people are those whose mother tongue is Arabic, and Ajami people are those who are non-Arabs. We Indians are Ajami, non-Arabs. So Arabi opposite Ajami, Arab non-Arab. Next word Mubinun, clear. غير mubin, unclear. Mubin, clear. غير mubin, unclear. So you will be given mubin, you will have to write غير mubin. No need to write translation there. If you write, it's okay. But when you are asked to give opposite words, then words will be given in Arabic only. Then you can give, or you have to give opposite words in Arabic only. Without Arabic words, just giving meaning in English, that is will not be allowed. You will not get any marks. Okay, so Arabiyun, Ajamiyun, Mubin, Ghair Mubin. Now next one, Ijmal, brief. Ijmal means in brief, brief. Tafsil, detailed one. So ijmalun, the word is used for the Holy Quran. Al Quranu ijmalun. Wal hadith tafsirun. Ijmal. So the Holy Quran is a brief text, and the Holy Hadith is explanation, detailed version. Okay. Next one, falah, success. Opposite word khusranun, failure. Falah, success. Khusranun, failure or loss. Loss, L-O-S-S. Loss also we can say. I write, just right. I wrote there only one word, failure, and you can say loss also, L-O-S-S. Now next word, falahun, success, khusranun, failure. Next word, najatun, najat. So falah, kamyabi, khusran, nuksan, या नाकामी. नजातुन, salvation, najat, बचाव, हिफाजत. हलाकुन, distraction, तबाही. The najat, salvation, opposite word halak. Najat, halak. Then ad-dunya, opposite word al-akhirah. Ad-dunya, this world. Ad-dunya means this world. Al-akhirah, the world hereafter. आखिरत की जिंदगी. दुनिया अब ये जिंदगी है. अल-आखिरा, मरने के बाद की जिंदगी. मरने के बाद से आखिरत की जिंदगी शुरू होती है. अल-आखिरा. नेक्स्ट वर्ड ताअतुन, ओबीडियंस. इताअत, opposite ma'siyatun, गुनाह, sin or guilt. So ताअतुन, opposite word ma'siyatun. ताअतुन, इताअत करना. मअसियतुन, गुनाह करना, नाफरमानी करना. Obedience, sin or guilt. Next word, walalatun. Walalatun, opposite word hidayatun. So hidayatun, opposite walalatun. Walalatun, misguidance, gumrahi, and hidayatun, guidance, rehnumai, hidayat, rehbari. So walalatun, opposite hidayat. Next word, jaliyun, visible, khafiyun, invisible. Jaliyun, khafiyun. Jaliyun, open. You can say visible or open also. Khafiyun, invisible, unclear, hidden, we can say. And these words are used for Quran and Hadith. Al Quranu Wahyun Jaliyun. The Holy Quran is Jali Wahi, an open, visible Wahi. And Al Hadith Wahyun Khafiyun. The Holy Hadith is hidden Wahi, hidden revelation, invisible relation. Invisible revelation or secret revelation. So, khafiyun, secret, jariyun, open, visible, invisible. I have written these two meaning here. You can understand open, hidden, or secret, and open, clear. You can use. Now, al-kidbu, as-sidqu. Opposite word, al-kidbu, opposite word, as-sidqu. Meaning, al-kidbu, lie, falsehood. As-sidqu, truth. झूठ, such. Al-kidbu, झूठ. As-sidqu, such. Now next word, qablu, before, ba'du, after. So qabl, ba'd. Qablu, ba'du. Before, after. We also use, generally we use in Urdu, qabl, se qabl, iske baad. The spelling, the huruf are like ba, ain, dal. Qabl, before, ba'd, after. Now next word, akabir, opposite asagir. You can see the meaning here. Akabir, elders. Asagir, youngsters. Akabir, elders. Asagir, youngsters. And this word is used in that hadith. Al barakatu ma'a akabirikum. Barakat is with your elders. बरकत तुम्हारे बड़े यानी बुजुर्ग लोगों के साथ है। तो ये हदीस का वर्ड है अकाबिर, opposite असागिर यंगस्टर्स। देन अल इल्म, opposite अल जहल। अल इल्म knowledge, education, al jahl ignorance. So al ilm jahl, these are the opposite words. Ilm jahl, al ilm al jahl, knowledge ignorance. So you have to learn by heart all these words. Next word yameen. Yameen means right, shimal means left. So yameen opposite shimal, right, left. Right side, left side. Yameen right, shimal left. Next word aqrab, abad. Aqrab means nearest, abad means farthest. Or you can say aqrab very near, abad very far. These are the superlative degree of qareeb and ba'id. Qareeb near, ba'id far. So aqrab superlative degree nearest, abad farthest. Far, farther, farthest. In English it is like that. In Arabic aqrab, qareeb, aqrab, ba'id, abad. So all these words are used in Hadith Sharif. So learn by heart all these words with their meaning. It will be helpful to you in your SEM exams, and you can improve your vocabulary of Arabic by studying all these words with meaning. Now we'll stop here. Now next one is the explanation of the passages with reference the context. Inshallah, we will study those sentences with their explanation with reference the context in the next session. So we'll stop here. I am sure that all of you might have understood all these exercises. Better you read and write in your notebooks, write down your notebooks, and learn by heart all these words. It will be very helpful to you, inshallah, in your life at any stage, inshallah, and your exams particularly. So let us stop here. Ma'assalam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.